How to cancel Amazon auto-renewal from your phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can cancel Amazon auto-renewal from your phone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right in. To cancel your Amazon auto renewal from your phone, open up your Amazon app. Locate the app and then tap on it. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're on your Amazon, you'll need to open up your profile. So tap on your profile icon at the bottom. And after you're here, you'll need to navigate to your account. So if you scroll down, you'll find the Your Account section. Tap on it and you should be on your accounts. So right under your account settings, you will find memberships and subscriptions. So you'll also find your Prime membership as a completely different option. So if you, let's head over to Prime membership first. After you tap on it, you will need to select Manage Membership. Since I don't have Prime, it's not showing me the option, but after you tap on Manage Membership, choose to not continue for a free trial or end membership for a paid membership. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. So for any other subscription that you have, head over to Membership and Subscriptions. After you're here, it's the same process. Just select the subscription that you have, and after you select it, simply stop the subscription. So after you do that, you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.